The age of globalization requires global action. This simple truth has for 6 years remained the guiding principle behind one of the largest international forums in the world.
It's a fascinating confluence of people from around the world.
A forum where there's anything up to 9,000 or 10,000 delegates.
And you're discussing some of the most important issues, not just for Kazakhstan, but for the whole region and for the world.
And the forum may become certainly very powerful and influential in terms of generating ideas and to see those ideas translated into action.
And in May 2014, the 7th Astana Economic Forum will again call the world to action. Hosted by the Eurasian Association of Scientists, Astana Economic Forum brings together the most forward-thinking minds from the world community, addressing challenges and finding solutions within a constantly evolving global economic landscape. As the forum continues to adapt, its mission stays the same: to provide a platform for the democratic dialogue that can build global consensus, paving the way for global action. The road to a brighter economic future worldwide runs through Astana. Join us